headlines. Cyclone Fani likely to hit several places of northeast including Manipur. Assam Rifles, NSC and IM still locked in standoff. Untitled Body's stage rally. Manipur pony fights for survival as grazing grounds shrink. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me Mandira, and now the news in detail. Associate Professor of Physics Department and Coordinator of Interdisciplinary Climate Research Center, Cotton University, Guwahati, Dr. Rahul Mahanta has warned that a very strong cyclone named Fani will sweep across many parts of India, including several places in northeastern region like Manipur, Tripura and Nagaland within this week, which may cause massive destruction. Cyclone Fani intensified into a severe cyclonic storm yesterday evening and is headed towards the Orissa coast. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) said it could take a shape of an extremely severe cyclone by Wednesday, prompting the government to put the National Disaster Response Force and the Indian Coast Guard on high alert.
Probably it will make a landfall by tomorrow evening in Orissa coast. And we have got a very good moisture inflow to the whole of the northeast. Bangladesh, Tripura will be highly alerted, even Manipur will go, and parts of Nagaland, but Nagaland will not that much be affected. Most affected will be Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram, along with Bangladesh. So, you can see this is Meghalaya plateau, it is getting diverted, you can see. Is not to venture out when this wind is very high, and not to stay near tall houses, trees, light posts, so that one can avoid lightning. And it's always better that children move out with parents because this wind gust will be very strong. The best way one can avoid is to take shelter. One should take shelter in a house which is safe from this high wind.
Tension is high at Sinhai Kulen camp of NSC and IM. The Assam Rifles and the NSC and IM are still locked in a standoff at Sinhai village in Ukhrul district of Manipur since April 25th over location of a camp of the outfit in the area. Assam Rifles troops are reportedly close in on the camp. Sensing danger, a public rally was taken out at Sinhai to end the standoff and ensure peace, tranquility and love in the area. The rally was organized by Thankul civil society organizations. As a result of various developmental projects taken up by the government and human encroachment, grazing grounds of Manipur pony is shrinking with each passing day. If measures are not taken up on time, Manipuri pony will be vanished forever. A report on this.
The fate of the pony, the much celebrated animal across the world, is uncertain. The animal has fought many historic battles and is specifically bred for the game of polo. But in reality, Manipuri pony is now on the verge of extinction. According to the 17th Quinquennial Livestock Census Report 2003 of the Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Government of Manipur, the total number of Manipuri ponies in the state is 1,893, while the 2007 Quinquennial Livestock Census recorded only 1,218 Manipuri ponies. On the other hand, in 2014, Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Government of Manipur, Manipur Equestrian Association and Manipur Pony Society conducted a pony head count all over the Manipur for 4 consecutive months. In the first response random report of the survey, there were only 360 ponies in the state. Further, the random report states that the survey might have left out around 200 to 250 horses from the head count. As per Census Report 2003, the number of Manipuri ponies was 1,893, 1,218 in 2007, and the number drastically declined to 550 to 650 in 2014. So, the question is, why the number of ponies has declined extremely in just a short period of time? The most suitable environment for a pony is wetland. Among the 19 wetland areas of Manipur, Lamphel was once a vast lake 50 years back. Over 55% of the area has been occupied by urbanization and encroachment, resulting in the loss of wide area of grazing ground for the pony. Thus, these horses have been forced to feed on trash and garbage sites. In the face of lack of proper grazing grounds, ponies are sometimes found killed on the road after being run over by vehicles, and they also die after eating plastic waste. In order to save pony, saving the 19 important recognized wetland areas is a must. Towards this end, all government installations in the wetland areas are needed to be shifted to other places, or else pony will soon cease to exist in Manipur, which is considered to be the birthplace of modern polo. Secretary of Manipur Pony Society Ningto Khongzam Ibungosoba said that the main factor contributing in the reduction of the number of Manipuri ponies is continuous shrinking of wetland and grazing fields, which have been turning into paddy fields and human settlement. He felt that the future generation will see the Manipuri ponies only in pictures.
Number one, Sagon Sibigi Maramsi food poisoning. Sagon gi chakta pham le dakta budagi kudamona na hada hojik low wa ani aduna sagon sinji nongjunung thada loina muk ma pan thor ani madudagi di plastic chaba hora ani garbage chaba hora ani. Number one, food poisoning. Madugi mathangda amuk road accident sagon macha je hek pokpaga mapi sina dum magi kambu salup sida thorku matamda macha se illaga thora ani food poisoning macha pi ibe mayam si plastic chaba hora ani garbage chaba hora ani aduna khoina sum yam scientific study am tawdragasu masing si sagon sibagi masing je pokpadagi sibana hele 1960s 70s 80s says the Lamphel part haibasi yamna chauba kogi biodiversity Manipur gi yamna maru eba role ama loriba Lamphel part ase Manipuri pony breed haibasi gi chaktafam achauba amani hojikti kogi view ama yengjaba matamda Lamphel part haibasi khajan dana different projects, educational institutions, adagi private institutions, government gi Manipur government gi department mayam gi khajan dan thamaba maram oibanina magi natural habitat disturb tawbini mapan da thore aduga hojik part mayaida akogi Lamphel part ki mayaida kogi miyoiba individual singna kogi pata ta salakka haibase. I think it is the biggest threat to the human civilization and biodiversity of Manipur. Kogi sagon gi future is very gloomy. Laibak thiba kogi generation akoi hojik Manipur da sagon uba phangi agi icha sagon uba phangi tabudabu kogi issue next generations to come koin hanjan ahna mana hairiba Manipur gi sagon di nongmadi it will be encapsulated on the walls lai oina yekpa aduga koigi un hakpo in urani. It will be one of the biggest mistakes that our generation, this generation, will be committing.
Manipur women polo team captain Kate Have expressed that the present condition of the Manipuri pony is quite emotional. She felt that this animal will be vanished soon and the people will later regret a lot for the treatment meted out to pony. Have noted that without pony, there will be no polo players and polo game in this state.
Koigi kano Manipur gi pony je hijik sabam lairaktre ado pony laitadi prayasu lairaroi adagidi koina player si yamna di laijaba yamdi sanajaningba pony laitergadi player mangani adi club su lairaroi association su lairaroi adigi Manipur gi tangraba pony ji ju akoi mut paido oigrani aduna maramdi akoi mathang mamangi sarkar na akoi ekar kunthain thoina Lamphel pata laiba akoi gi ek pibirami adu pibiramba ji ju ji lawmi lupna akoi gi law usandana khosandana mai thadorokna sagon jingje makhong makhup mai chakba khopa problem am laigre akoi mayam ju thaga chagre aduna akoi gi hijik paliba laingak sina nungsibiduna akoi gi ekar kunthain thoi Lamphel pata laibaje PBU masidagi henba NIT sajaliba mayam je akoi pony gi oina koi separate amakatang di Manipur sarkar dagi PBO na koi player mayam di magai dagi amadi association gi magai dagi akoi masi mati ni jari.
Rescue efforts are on by personnel of NDRF, SDRF backed by Manipur Fire Service to recover 3 bodies from Chadong village Mafau Dam of Ukhrul district. 2 boats with 12 picnickers on board capsized in the dam water on April 28. 9 were rescued but 3 bodies could not be traced. Under the sponsorship of Ministry of Environment and Forest MOEF and Chief Conservator of Manipur Forest Department, a one-day state-level workshop on forest fire management was organized at the Tribal Research Institute at Chingmairong today. More than 78 leaders from across the hill districts along with several volunteers and representatives of different civil society organizations attended the workshop. The resource persons deliberated on strategies on controlling and preventing forest fire. PCCF and HOFF Government of Manipur and also the chief guest of the function, Karil Hauvi Angami, expressed unhappiness over the increasing practice of causing massive wildfires in forest for different reasons. He appealed to the masses to give up the practice, saying it will destroy the valuable fauna and flora of the forest, resulting in ecological imbalances.
Which is passed on down to us, and the fruit that is passed on to us, we want to enjoy. But the challenge, I say, is we don't want to practice how they have managed fire in the past and how they have been able to bring this good result in the state or in the community. Every village or among every communities, our forefathers have their reason, they have their knowledge, how fire has been managed in the past. We have today many forest fires taking place in the hills, particularly where forests are there. It has to happen. And without fire in the forest also, management to a certain extent will not be possible. But how do we manage? Today what is happening is we set fire to the forest. There is no management.
Additional PCCF and President of the function, Dr. L. Puni, IFS, said that all the tribal leaders and civil society organizations of hill districts should take strong resolution in their respective areas to stop wildfires started by humans.
And on many occasions, we know that a fire has been burned, fire has been set on without any purpose, and that is leading to destructions in our state. And this kind of destructions has been a big effect on our state, and every community in our state has to take the responsibility of protecting forest fires, because when it burns, you cannot really go to the forest area, to the hills to beat the fire in the night time especially. You cannot do it. So the fire continues to burn. So in order to control fire or manage fire, every apex body or the tribal here in the hills, most tribals are there. So the tribal bodies have got apex bodies, so they have to take decisions. And such kind of decisions that should be effective to all the villages. So they have to have a resolution to control forest fires. That is why we call today's workshop, calling all the tribal leaders, so that we collectively take a decision and work out the way forward on management of forest fire in our state.
A 2-day event marking the International Dance Day organized by Jawaharlal Dance Academy concluded today at the Auditorium Hall of JN Dance Academy, Imphal. Students of the academy presented a lecture-cum demonstration to the crowd on Pena, rules of Manipuri martial art form, Thangta and different types of spears. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. People are discontent over the halt in chopper services of Imphal Jiribam, Imphal Tamenlong and Imphal More. The chopper service was introduced by the Manipur government for connecting capital Imphal with the remote places of Manipur. Speaking to our reporter, Mangal Club Harinagar President Namram Chinglemba said that the club donated the ground for the service at Jiribam with the hope to uplift the people of the area, and that Jiribam police were happy when the helicopter service started operating. He added that the people were proud for the service. He urged the authority concerned to look into the matter and initiate action to resume the service at the earliest.
Nauna koi service si lakpon tamda koi laika sigi mioi mayam pullaga koi isagi sanabung oina leijariba field ji koi pithok chaduna koi maman karim moidagi koina adi compensation lawbonte koina laikai mayam gi chakot na bagin na koina pithokpani aduga sumai tawbire aduga haujingna komu khanghaudana lepkhibase se khoigi laiba khoi miyansu ni maram chana amta ba authority singna thijanbira hairga athubu tamna mu hawanbina bidamta mari leinari basingda appeal to.
The sudden halt in the service has created problems for the people of Jiribam. With the onset of rainy season, the landslide-prone Imphal-Jiri road has started facing difficulties now. Considering the situation, the helicopter service will render a lot help to the people. It is worth mentioning that Chief Minister of Manipur Ann Biren inaugurated the chopper service on 19th September 2018. The body of Ningthaucham Thoibi Singh from Nongmaikhong Makhalekai, who had gone traceless after his boat capsized in Imphal, Turel during the strong cyclonic storm which occurred on the evening of 28th, has been recovered today. On the other hand, a driver was found dead inside a Tata Dipper along Irengbam Oinam Road of Bishnupur district. Integrated Youth Development Organization Ningthaunai Finance Secretary K.H. Muram has clarified that the organization has no connection with the boycott imposed on Minister T.H. Shyamkumar in Andhra constituency. In a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today, T.H. Muram said that on 28th April there was an announcement that 11 organizations based on Andhra constituency of Imphal East will boycott Andhra MLA T.H. Shyamkumar. He regretted that one person named Muhammad Baskar had claimed himself to be the president of Integrated Youth Development Organization Ningthaunai, which is unfortunate. The organization has nothing to do with this matter. He urged the people who attended the meeting to clarify the matter within 3 days and warned that the organization will take the help of law if the demand is not met.
3 days fogi manungda sengdor pirangnaba haijari Garigumba, Sendorta Taragadi, Madura Tolapa, Pafata, Gidaita Punama, Hydra sing Aduna Pugadamani, Amadi, Akoizi, Club Kimakegi, Legal Action Long Nova, Sem Sabasu, Loizere. Akoy Club Kimakoina Toleba, Press No Sida Club Ki President, MD Baksharina, Haibasi, MD Baksharna, President Okibasu Late.
Self-Employment Voluntary Association Seva Manipur observed its 28th Foundation Day at the Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal today. President of Seva Manipur A. Bharjit Singh, former chairperson of MSSWB R.K. Nayansana Devi, advisor of Seva AIC Hringjamgam Langhu, regional manager CML Tata Trust Imphal Dr. Konsam Surjit Singh, K.H. Chinglen Singh, CEO of Seva Manipur, and other well-known personalities were the main guests of the function, where several other people from all over the state were also present. Speaking at the event, Personal Secretary of CEO Seva Manipur G. Gitaranjan Sharma said that Seva is a well-established organization which has been working for the welfare of the society for a long time. He added that the organization is currently planning to extend support to 1 lakh families living below poverty line by 2025.
Seva asi aina thengazari isi sahi taragi mathakta ai loina zare he akhoi no sik mayam no ubi ro matamda seva asi yamna nungai lai phaba imung amadong no ubi ro yai adu matam da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯒꯥꯏꯅꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯦ.
The general body meeting of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU will be held at Manipur Press Club tomorrow at 10 a.m. according to a press release of the union. It said that meeting will discuss the annual account statement, reports from the General Secretary accepting provisional new members will be followed by a luncheon. Distribution of Chief Minister Gi Hakchil Gi Tengwang cards to all the approved applicants will also take place. The union further requests all the members to participate in the election to the Standing Committee of the Union, which will take place tomorrow at the Manipur Press Club. The band Korkom today sent regards to the working class of the world on the occasion of the May Day 2019, which falls on May 1st tomorrow. In a statement released by Kokon Publicity Committee, the outfit urged the working population of Manipur to toil hard with a strong determination for a strong society which can ensure a colorful and prosperous life. In the wake of frequent bomb blasts and plantation of bombs at residential areas by unidentified people, operations by Manipur police continued unabated in Imphal city. Combing operation was carried out at Thangal Bazar, Dharmsala, Alugali, Hau Kaithel, Ima Market and Roop Mahal Tank from 8 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. During the operation led by additional SP AG Sharma, 386 were verified while 14 picked up for proper verification. Time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Yoga teacher jobs in Delhi for freshers. Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India, New Delhi, headquartered dagi tholokpa cherol amagi matung inna North East ki oina yoga teacher humfu selection khanjagani maru oina India gi mapanda chetpagi khudong chaba pizagani job ki mafamna Delhi amadi UP dani saruk yabining ba singna Athuba matamda online resume biodata thabirau aikhogi contact number 9810993987 email birlayogaolympics@yahoo.com. Interview place Classic Hotel Imphal.
Welcome back. Beef ban has gained momentum in the inner circles of the Bharatiya Janata Party even as the Lok Sabha polls 2019 is drawing for a close. With the poll battle heating up ahead of the elections, there were simmering rumors within the BJP of bringing back the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 if it comes back to power after the Lok Sabha elections, which were later toned down during campaigning in the region. Sikkim beauty elected to represent state in FVB Colors Femina Miss India 2019, Sikkim beauty queen Sang Doma Tamang expressed her immense happiness on getting an opportunity to represent her state in the upcoming FVB Colors Femina Miss India 2019. She has been officially crowned as Miss India Sikkim 2019 in an event on April 23rd at Kolkata to represent the state in her dream event of FVB Colors Femina Miss India 2019 to be held in June at Mumbai. Controversies surrounding electronic voting machines (EVMs) have taken the center stage of the political arena of the Northeast after completion of the 3 phases of Lok Sabha elections for the 25th parliamentary seats in the region. Even as the controversy regarding transporting unused EVMs from Tejpur to Amingao in Guwahati on Sunday night is still hogging media headlines, another murky incident revolving around EVMs has surfaced in Arunachal Pradesh. In a sensation incident, huge cache of explosives have been recovered at the helipad, where the helicopter carrying the EVMs of the repolling at 17 polling booths. The incident took place at Koloriang of the state. 5 leaders of the Khaplang faction of the Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland, NSCNK, will be tried in a Myanmarese court from May 6. The NSCNK leaders landed in Myanmar Army Dragnet during an operation carried out on March 9, 2019 at the liaison office of the militant outfit in Myanmar's Sangayng region. Congress President Rahul Gandhi has been issued a notice by the Home Ministry to explain his position over complaints on his citizenship. The complaint has been filed by BJP MP Subramaniam Swamy, who has alleged that Rahul Gandhi is a British citizen. The Home Ministry asks the Congress chief to explain his factual position in the matter within a fortnight of receipt of the communication. The Home Ministry said it has received a representation from Dr. Subramaniam Swamy in which it has been brought out that a company named Backups Limited was registered in the United Kingdom in the year 2003 with address 51 Southgate Street, Winchester, Hampshire SO23 9EH, and that you were one of the directors and secretary of the said company. China is expected to lift its hold on blacklisting Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed Chief Masood Azhar at a UN-sanctioned committee on May 1st, paving the way for further global financial sanctions against the banned group. People familiar with the development said Azhar's designation as a global terrorist would be a major diplomatic victory for the Narendra Modi government, which has been pushing for the move particularly since the February 14 terror attack in Pulwama. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Songhai Express. Replay of Assam Rifles NSCN-IM standoff at Siroi village in 2009. Assam Rifle troops close in on NSCN-IM's camp at Sihai Kulen. Tension high. Missing persons yet to be traced. NDRF Navy divers to arrive today. Murder of Mohendro. Further remand for wife Paramore. The People's Chronicle. Ukhrul tense over Assam Rifle IM standoff. Public rally today. NDRF begins rescue operation, no trace of missing trio. Imphal Free Press. Assam Rifles warns NSCN-IM to vacate unauthorized camps in Ukhrul. Sodong Bot tragedy. Search on for missing bodies. Navy team call in, says Chief Minister. The Morning Bell. Mapitel Dam tragedy. 3 missing persons still traceless. Chief Minister visits sport, vans unauthorized boats at tourist places. NSCN-IM accused of violating ceasefire in Manipur. Assam Rifle cautions against escalation. Cultural dances should be included in school curriculum. Titular King urges Northeast communities to unite in fight for common future.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Cyclone Fani likely to hit several places of northeast including Manipur. Assam Rifles NSCN-IM still lock in standoff. Tangkhul bodies stage rally. And Manipur pony fights for survival as grazing grounds shrink. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.